Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that the sound from your earbuds shudders or is intermittent. So, actually, the most important thing is that you have to check whether your earbuds and phone, tablet, laptop, MacBook, Windows PC, Windows laptop, every other device, if these devices are updated to the latest versions. If they are, that's nice, but sometimes when the firmware version is older, and especially if it's a Windows PC, it may happen, and you need to update the firmware to the latest versions. It doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone, Android, Windows PC, as I said, Windows laptop, MacBook. It happens, and the developer is commonly is likely to fix the issue. Number 2, when using the earbuds, avoid obstructing the area around the phone camera over here to ensure smooth reception of the signals. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to disable the dual connection in the application. If you want to know how to do that, you can check out some because I have a video for that. And apart from that, you can try to charge your earbuds up to 100%, try restarting your phone, and restarting your earbuds. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.